What the hell? Hey man, what's this mess out here about? You even found my jack storage, bro.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not like it's very fucking hidden. Oh, you want to point the camera? Yeah, yeah.
Oh no.
Got now, huh?
But obviously, we got big boy over there working on his car, and we're just gonna be lowering the shit out of his Mustang today. He's got some fancy parts, because fancy car. He's got BC coilovers, and this thing is getting slammed in my driveway. That way, if something goes wrong, then it's in my driveway. But yeah, these are sexy. He's even got the titty jiggle knob. See that, dude? You know, you got the titty jiggle knob?
Titty jiggle knob.
Like I said though, this is Alex here's 2020 Mustang GT. He just got it not too long ago, and the only mod he has so far is his MBRP catback exhaust. So today is going to be the second major mod, which is lowering it on these high quality BC coilovers. I think this is going to be a really cool change of pace for my channel, considering that most of my content, let's be honest, is just complete and utter shit boxes. So maybe this will be a little bit more relatable for some of you guys who have a newer car and are doing less extreme mods. But we're doing a whole lot more than lowering this car, so you guys are definitely going to see it returning on the channel soon. But if you do enjoy, make sure to like the video and follow for more.
Oh my god. Bro, we got the strap on his strap on.
I'm strapping the strap on, bro.
Looking at this, it's pretty simple. Just like 2 bolts here, the sway bar connects, and that's it, I think. I mean, all right, my worker is doing some good work here. I just did this side for him. He didn't do anything, but it's okay because it was actually pretty simple. So the reason you have to take the caliper off, because it is in the way of this bolt. It's pretty, why is one backwards? You got the nut on one side and the nut on the other on this one.
Goddamn Ford engineer, god damn it.
Oh, yes, buddy. I was like, what's wrong with this? Why is he acting all freaky? Oh, what the fuck, boy?
I think someone else has cooked here.
Houston, we have a problem. This is about as far as I get this nut on. Oh no. Oh, this is like a cam lobe on your bolt, bro.
What
the hell?
Well, if you haven't figured it out by now, there is absolutely something wrong here. But like my buddy here said, someone has absolutely cooked here before. And whoever it was, they should not have let cook, because I don't know why they decided to put an aftermarket strut on just this side, probably because of an accident. But not only that, they used 2 of the strangest bolts that I have ever seen and then put them in 2 different directions. But whatever, we're just gonna get the right bolts and pretend we never saw that shit.
Top down.
Oh boy.
We're cruising in the middle of the street too.
Hit the lock for me, bro. There we go.
Bolts. Show them what you got, buddy. It's so funny if they turn it on, it just goes in a circle.
Look at this. It's like not blurry. Blurry. See him go. That's the best way to do it, folks. And I got a seat right here. Just the right amount up my butt. Here we go. Now it's a seat. Oh my god. It's actually phenomenal.
And once you get to this point on the front, you're going to realize that you have these shorter sway bar end links, and that's only for the front. So all you have to do is replace those in the orientation I'm showing. And they're also going to use an Allen key instead of an Allen socket, which is hopefully going to be a lot easier.
Now it works. Basically, this side we got lucky. It just coiled right into there. But the other side, it went on this side, and it was way too short. So we had to jack up the sway bar itself. And this 4x4 fits perfectly into here. So we just jacked that bitch up like that. See, he got the ratchet in there, but he also got cranked. And that's what it looks like all in. Quite a downsize from these big gigolos, but the moment of reveal, how slammed is this gonna slam? Okay.
Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, a little too slam there.
Nah, dude, look at it from the front. That's crazy.
Oh my god, yeah. That bitch lower than it was
That's
before.
crazy. Bro, I can't have my lips scraped. The underglow is on it.
That'll be good.
Oh.
Whoa. Got definitely scraped up that underglow a little bit. There's 4 subframe bolts, which are right there. There's another one back there, and then the other 2 on the other side. And basically to get the spring out, I guess we gotta drop one side at a time and then pull it out. Just like last time, we did that side, but check out, see that right there, that little arm? See how on that side it's like diagonal still and that one's like flat? That's the shortened spring. That's like crazy. Like if you're hearing drop the subframe and you're scared, don't be, because we were, and it was like nothing. Main thing that you need to know is don't jack it up by the diff and hold it there, because the diff is connected to the subframe. We're going to take out the 2 subframe bolts on this side, then loosen those 2, and then have the jack on the diff controlling the height of the subframe. So we're going to take it down. Should be easy to get that spring out at that point. It's this little twink strut, so that thing comes right out. That's easy. It's just a few bolts. And to get the subframe, you've got these 2, which we already loosened, and that one. And this hood takes off the brackets. You take those off first. That lets you loosen this one. And as you can see, it's already all the way down. We just got to take them out.
There we go. Yep. Shock.
And under it, you're going to take that nut off and salvage this top half, unless you... Oh boy.
There it is.
There you go, just gotta...
There we go, finagle.
Yeah, get them out. And you just get these in by hand with it held up by the jack.
To use the new strut, you have to salvage the old top hat. And the way that I did that was just with a ratcheting wrench, and then I put vice grips on the top to hold the top from spinning while I turn the nut. And once I get it off, you just throw the whole top hat on the new one without the dust boot or anything, and you use the new bolt, and once it's all together, you can throw on your knob.
We got everything out, ready for the reveal of the ride height. So let it down, my boy.
Is it sexy?
Yeah, you could say that. Yeah, fun fact. This dude ran over a giant rock. His rim had like a giant indent in it. It was like scraping his caliper. So he had to switch to his goofy rims in the back.
With that though, the entire car is done and it's looking definitely a little bit lower than it was before. But bro got out of there pretty quick because if you know what I mean, I needed some payment, and then he scurried right on out of there and went home. But if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to like and let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.